So after you generated the custom firmware from ArduPilot, you will want to flash this to the flight controller. So you have to go to setup, and I found this to be a bit tricky with Mission Planner, and all you have to do is go to install firmware legacy and do a force bootloader to put the board in the programming mode. So click on force bootloader, and it will actually tell you to unplug it and plug it back in, but I noticed that it will reboot the board by itself, so you don't have to unplug it. Alright, now that's the board, it's in the programming mode. You have to load the custom firmware. Click load and select this one, arduplane.apg, and click open. It will read in the hex file and it will try to connect, and now it's erasing, so it will erase the old firmware, and then it will flash with the custom one that you previously built. So actually it's doing the programming right now. It will take a few seconds to burn it, and after that it will reset itself and it will be ready to configure it. So upload it's done. You can now connect it. So select the COM port, click connect, Mavlink connecting, getting all parameters, and it is working. So see, if you tilt the flight controller, you see the artificial horizon that's displaying the data.